Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Plants vs Zombies app lag problem. So if you're currently having problems that your Plants vs Zombies app that it's lagging and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I firstly closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, I just scroll down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. In here, I just scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked on storage in here. And as you can see, we should now be taken here, which is perfect. So now in here, I just swiped up like this until I can see the search bar up top. So just click on the search bar and then just search like this. PVZ, as you can see, just click on the app. Now click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Then click on the blue button here once again, and just simply wait for your Plants vs Zombies app now to completely update to its latest version. Because by doing this, you're going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous version, and it's going to also most likely fix your lag problem. So this worked for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.